تمام يا نجوى، ودي مقالة جديدة عن السيارات الكلاسيكية، محتوى مخصص لإنتاج فيديو مدته 10 دقائق بواسطة InVideo AI. عنوان المقال: The Timeless Allure of Classic Cars, A Journey Through Automotive History. Classic cars are more than just vehicles, they are symbols of heritage, craftsmanship, and timeless design. For many car enthusiasts, owning a classic car is about more than just having a mode of transportation, it's about preserving a piece of automotive history. In this article, we'll take a look at the evolution of classic cars, the cultural significance behind them, and why they remain so captivating today. What defines a classic car? A classic car is typically defined as a vehicle that is at least 20 to 30 years old and has historical significance, rare designs, or special features. It is more than just an old car, it is a representation of a specific era in automotive history. Classic cars often exhibit timeless design elements, innovative engineering, and a level of craftsmanship that is difficult to replicate in modern vehicles. The classic car market can be divided into several categories. 1. Vintage cars, pre-World War II, cars produced before the war, often hand-built and featuring early forms of luxury and design innovation. 2. Post-war classics, 1940s, 1960s. These cars embody the birth of modern automotive design, with increased production and styling taking center stage. 3. Modern classics, 1970s, 1990s. More recent vehicles that have become collectible due to their innovative features, performance, or iconic status. Iconic classic cars that shaped automotive history. Throughout automotive history, there have been certain models that have defined classic car culture. These cars not only revolutionized the industry, but also gained iconic status among collectors. Some notable examples include: 1. Ford Mustang, 1964. The Mustang is an emblem of American muscle, offering raw power and an aggressive design. Its V8 engine and distinctive body lines make it an instantly recognizable classic. 2. Chevrolet Corvette, 1953. Known as America's sports car, the Corvette combines speed, luxury, and style. Its sleek bodywork and powerful V8 engine set the standard for American performance cars. 3. Porsche 911, 1964. A German engineering marvel, the Porsche 911 has evolved over decades without losing its distinctive silhouette and performance capabilities. It remains one of the most beloved classic sports cars. 4. Jaguar E-Type, 1961. Regarded as one of the most beautiful cars ever made, the Jaguar E-Type is a quintessential British classic that combines elegance with performance. 5. Volkswagen Beetle, 1938. A symbol of practicality and charm, the Beetle was designed to be affordable and reliable, but its unique design made it a cultural icon around the world. Restoration and maintenance of classic cars. Restoring a classic car is often a passion project for enthusiasts. The process involves not only fixing mechanical issues but also preserving the original design and features that made the car unique. This can include sourcing original parts, finding rare or discontinued components that are true to the car's original specifications, repainting and upholstery, restoring the car's exterior and interior to its former glory, often requiring expert craftsmanship and attention to detail, engine and mechanical repairs, ensuring that the car runs smoothly, even after years of being in storage. For many collectors, restoring a classic car can be just as enjoyable as owning one. The goal is to maintain the authenticity of the vehicle while improving its reliability and performance. The cultural significance of classic cars. Classic cars hold cultural value beyond their mechanical components. They represent a specific era, showcasing the automotive trends, social changes, and economic conditions of the time. For example, the Ford Mustang epitomizes the 1960s American muscle car era, a time of rebellion and individuality. The Jaguar E-Type reflects the British elegance and prestige of the 1960s. The Volkswagen Beetle, with its simple and practical design, represents post-war optimism and the global cultural shifts of the 1960s and 1970s. Owning and driving a classic car connects people to the past, creating a sense of nostalgia and appreciation for automotive history. Why are classic cars still popular today? Despite the rise of modern vehicles with advanced technologies, classic cars remain incredibly popular for several reasons. Nostalgia. For many people, classic cars remind them of a simpler time or their younger years. Exclusivity. Classic cars are often limited in number, making them rare and highly sought after by collectors. Investment potential. Many classic cars appreciate in value over time, making them a smart investment for collectors. Rare and well-maintained models can be worth millions of dollars at auction. Driving experience. There's something special about driving a classic car. The combination of manual transmission, raw power, and a connection to automotive history provides a unique driving experience that modern cars can't replicate. Classic car events and shows. Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance, USA. One of the most famous classic car events, attracting the finest cars from around the world. Goodwood Revival, UK, a celebration of classic motorsport and racing cars, taking place in the heart of the UK's motorsport history. Monterey Car Week, USA, a week-long celebration of classic and vintage cars, featuring auctions, exhibitions, and races. The future of classic cars. As the world becomes more focused on sustainability and electric vehicles, there are growing efforts to electrify classic cars. Many enthusiasts are converting their favorite classic models into electric vehicles, keeping the iconic design while embracing modern, environmentally friendly technology. References. 1. Haggerty, Classic Car Value Guide, https www.haggerty.com. 2. Classic Car Restorations, How to Restore Your Classic Car, https www.classiccarrestorations.com. 3. Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance, Event Details, https www.pebblebeachconcours.net. هل تحب المقال الجاي يكون عن السيارات الكهربائية أو السيارات الرياضية الفاخرة سوبر كارز بوبونبر ستينكر سوبر بيربايندر